Alright guys, back at it again on the side of the road, just doing a quick systems check. Everything looks great. We're on a road called Crooked Finger Road, leading up to an awesome hike, killer waterfall. I've been here a few times, haven't got too much footage. Definitely not like I'm wanting to get today. There might be some people there, but this one's definitely off the beaten path. You can look at places like Google and other outdoor apps, but even depending on that, it doesn't really tell you how to get there too well. A lot of people get lost. A lot of reviews say that, you know, they just gave up because you couldn't find the trailhead and all that. It definitely is nice to have a 4x4. You don't need it to get there, but it makes the trip to the start of the hike a lot shorter. So, good thing I'm rocking this today. We're gonna be there very shortly. Just have to meet our way up to where the pavement meets the gravel, which should be about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, nothing too crazy. I'll kind of show you this crazy road, Crooked Finger Road. It's called that for a reason, as you'll see. So I don't want to waste too much time mumbling, blabbing. Let's get there. So we're not here, but we definitely made it to the spot where there's pavement ends, the gravel's here, the dirt, the 4x4 trail start here. There's many places down here you can go to, a bunch of off-road trails like I said, shoot guns up here, a bunch of different pits you can go to, rock quarries. It's awesome up here. I'm sure there's a couple more waterfalls, but this one that we're going to go to today, it's definitely the best one up here. I think it's like 92 feet or something like that, so it's definitely not the biggest, but it's huge. I mean, that's a couple stories high for sure. Right before we head out here, I'm gonna do a quick couple things here, get the truck a little bit more ready. Gonna lower the tire pressures here, get a lot more grip here. It shouldn't take too long, maybe like, I don't know, 15 minutes around there, give or take some, to get to the trailhead. I might have a little bit of difficulty finding the trailhead because every time I come here I do. It just happens because, like I said, there's no marking, but I'm just going to pull over here, get some things going, head on up. Alright, just in case you guys have never seen this before, obviously a lot of 4x4 people, truck people, trail people, know exactly what I'm doing. Like I said a few minutes ago, just getting the tire pressure lower. Just kind of helps with the suspension, makes everything a little smoother here. So just kind of see this right here. Obviously, when you're going to a store or gas station and you need more air in your tires, you're putting stuff in. But right now, I'm taking some out. Take some out here. And I can check with my little handy gauge. A couple bucks at any store really, any auto parts store, a lot of grocery markets carry this kind of stuff. And what I personally do is just kind of go back and forth, you know, until I find the right amount. You go a little too crazy with it, pump her back up as long as you got a pump. Give her a quick check. close, 30 PSI. Get this baby a little lower. Gotta be almost there. Getting real close. What I say? Good enough. Spin her back on. All right, let's go. Amazing day. Technically, it's still considered winter at the very end of it. Spring's coming here in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. You can definitely still see some snow up on the mountains here. I'll try to get some footage of that. Quite a bit, a lot of powder. You can definitely still go skiing, snowboarding, and stuff like that at super high elevations. Saw one person pass, or they didn't pass me up, but they were in front of me a little bit ago. I kind of hope there's some people up here. Kind of nice to talk to some people, or at least see some people here. Gates, you can see that right there a little bit. There's a bunch of different spots here to go to, but it's dedicated to our little hiking trail. Bickle Falls, I think I said it earlier, the name of this place. It doesn't look like it, but we're bumping around right now. Yeah, let's just keep on heading up. Definitely love to do stuff like this, but I am up here by myself, so if something happens and I do get stuck, all right, we're gonna check this out real quick. Quick signage. It's not really important, but hey, right here, check it out. Ooh, watch this here. A little bit of snow right there. Heck yeah. It's just saying some stuff. Some be careful shooting. Don't what else here? Don't leave your trash behind. All the good stuff. Adopt a trail. Crooked finger. OHV trail system. I didn't know it's OHV over here. Got ready, just in case. So yeah, keep going that way, just go somewhere else. This way is where we're going, over there. And we just came from that way, so let's keep on going. fed, hydrated, got all the gear ready, got the truck locked, packed up, ready to go. And according to the map and all the people I talked to on the way down, the trail starts right behind my truck. It's not the right place. We just get back in the rig, head on up or down, try to find another spot. Let's not waste too much time. Let's go. All right, fingers crossed it's right here. A little trail behind me. It's hard to say. Let's try it out. I think this hike's about maybe like 0.7 miles or something, so it's definitely small. It's real short. There might be some people down here. Saw some people walking up. I don't know where they park. Saw some people driving up. Nothing too crazy. Just some regular vehicles here. And see here, you gotta be careful because you got a trail right here behind me, and there's one here also. I think I'm gonna go this way here. It's definitely hard to say. Sometimes you gotta stick with the intuition at times here. Definitely watch the feet. Use whatever you can to your advantage. I'm sure, unless people come here and clean this stuff up, more and more stuff starts blocking the path and making it even more difficult to navigate through these woods here. Now, last time I came down here and failed the first time, I heard some waterfall type things. I ended up going to the wrong spot, so all we can do is check things out. Hopefully that works out for the better. You can hear stuff coming from that direction. That direction too is definitely something right there. Those aren't the falls we're looking for. Ooh, definitely got something going on over here. If those aren't the Abiqua waterfalls we're looking for, or I guess as the sheriff called them, Abiqua, whatever you call them. If they ain't those, they're definitely something. Ooh, looks like we might have got lucky. Check this out, guys. I already see me something. Oh yeah. No way, this definitely has to be it for sure. Ain't no way. If this isn't the spot, we're above them right now. You can tell it's kind of a dangerous spot. Oh, that's gotta be it for sure. It's amazing up here. There's definitely some raw power. Definitely don't want to be under that shower, that's for sure. This is definitely it. And it's cool because it's like cased in with all these rocks. Like I'm standing, the spot I'm standing on, this side over here looks similar to down there. And it looks like we gotta make our way down there somehow. That's where it gets fun. But hey, I'm super excited that at least we're able to find the falls. Right at the back too, first try. There's no guarantees, yeah, that way. That has to go back up to the main road. Gotta get low here. You see all this stuff right here. Definitely gotta navigate through all this here. We're in the middle of the woods though. This is expected. It's obviously a whoa, let me get eye poked out here. Since winter's over and all the rainfall is getting ready to disappear here, so everything's looking so nice, all this moss. Everything's looking real living. Yeah, it's nice now until it gets dry. All kinds of problems can start. Good to start the fire though, if you're camping. I don't know, guys. Something's off about this. Nice little viewpoint, but wow. Really, really high up. We're over 100 feet for sure. A little rock cliff right there. She got burnt. Oh yeah, you're getting hit with a double fall. Check that out. You got the main one. You got a couple small ones in the back feeding in. Looks like about 3 of them maybe. 1, 2, 3. You all go to 1. This definitely isn't the right spot, but good little spot. Check out. It's massive here. We got a little bit of fall action right there too. Alright, let's find our way down. Just got back onto the street, guys. Unfortunately, that wasn't the right path to begin with too. Actually make it to the waterfalls, but got a spectacular view from above. The truck's right there. I don't know. It's hard to say whether to go down more and see if we can find another local entry point, or if you go up and around. Because according to some of my maps online, it's saying that you can take a road that goes to the other side, comes down, but when you're looking at the vantage point that I was, it's hard to say whether that's true or not. You gotta find those ropes that everyone was talking about. I've been there before and I think I know exactly how to get there now that I think of it. I think I just have to backtrack a little bit. Like I said, there's no trailheads in the maps. No matter what app you're using, it only helps you out so much. So let me recoup for a minute, get a new game plan. We'll try it again. All right, attempt number 2. I'm gonna start off by heading down this way. According to my maps, it says maybe like a couple minutes down the road, there's a private road, and all these guys are sitting there saying something about a private road that gets there. So I'll try this, and if this doesn't work out, I have a couple other spots already planned out, so let's head down there real quick. Check this out. See the white truck behind me? There's definitely someone down there. Cool. All right, attempt number 2. Let's go for it. Everything's definitely looking pretty good so far, but so many trails around here, it's hard to say exactly where the right place is. I'm hoping I see some of these people down here, to be honest with you. A little guidance and direction never hurts. Ooh, I hear me a river. Definitely a big drop off below me. I'm gonna go down there and check it out. So hard to say if this is the right spot. Fingers crossed it is. Let's go. All right, got some rope right here. Let's hope this all pans out here. I'm not sure if it's the right rope spot, because I know for a fact that there is another rope spot around here that's actually more dangerous than this, but you gotta admit those are pretty cool. Some paracord. Honestly, probably don't need this to get me down there, but it helps out. Definitely don't see me complaining a bit. This is pretty gnarly though, not gonna lie. Oh. Got another rope there. This could get us down there. It's definitely getting us down somewhere. Looks like we can go from one rope to the other, but I'm doing fine on this one. So why stop now? Hey, why not, right? They're going down pretty steep. Got some double rope action going here. Getting closer to the creek. Got even more right here too. Oh, down and down and down. Ooh. Whoa. Getting a little back and forth here. Grabbing some rocks, utilizing the rope that someone put here, using the trees, use anything that we can to get down this thing successfully. Let's grab some more rope here. Oh wow. Whoa! Oh. Let's transfer. Go. Let's back up here. Ooh. Kind of cool walking stick right there. Woo. It's at the end of the rope, guys. Whoa. Oh, still going down. Ooh, guess there was some more rope. No, it definitely ain't looking bad down here, but I don't know if this is gonna take us to the waterfalls. It's taking us to an awesome spot. I don't know, guys. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! This might be a trail. Hard to say. Definitely don't look like one though. These right here, you don't want to touch those. Those things, they bite, and they bite hard. They're everywhere around here. Starting to seriously doubt this is the right spot. I don't know though. I do see little white markers, so that could mean something. You'd think they'd be here for a reason. Hopefully guiding the path. Now it's definitely starting to look more like a trail here. For sure. These two. don't know guys, it's looking pretty good. I'm definitely liking the looks of this. If it doesn't lead to where we're trying to go, it definitely goes to a good spot. Two thumbs up. That's all I gotta say. It's gotta be right around the corner over there. You would think so, at least. Alright. Getting ourselves into some more trouble here. Using the upper body strength now. Oh no, though. Oh, you know what? I do see something right there. I see some more ropes. Let's check it out. This definitely isn't very user-friendly. We just ran into a bunch of mosquitoes. That ain't good. Well, I don't know. There's definitely some more rope. I wonder if this is how I was supposed to get down here. A lot more rope and some riding too. Might be the right way. It's kind of hard to say. You really just keep walking along the side. Let's check out the map here, take a break. Alright, right behind me, you see the rags and rope. I didn't come down that way. I came from this way over here. But we're gonna continue on this little path. Which honestly I don't think it's it. Perfect. I'll go check it out though. I'm gonna navigate through some of these trees here. I don't know guys. If this isn't the correct way, sometimes you're able to make a way. Right along the creek here. Not too deep, but definitely could get wet if you fall in there. No. All I know is the falls are right around the corner. So let's keep on chugging along here. Kinda try not to get wet. If it happens though. When you're doing this kind of stuff, going off the tracks, the beaten path, you better expect for the unexpected to happen. Above this or under it, might have to go crawl under this thing. I don't know guys, it's kind of hard to tell. Probably come down from that way too. Definitely sort of looks like a path, a little bit. Under all these rocks, logs. I don't know, I have a good feeling about this though. It looks like a spot that people would definitely be able to walk. Starting to feel really good about this, guys. If there's anyone down here, you think it's a truck. I saw it there. Ooh, look at that. Someone's been here. Alright. I'm pretty sure it's right around the corner, guys. You definitely hear something. You can tell the river's starting to get deeper, so the waterfall is here. I can hear it, guys. I'm sure you can start to pick it up too on your end. Oh, we're close, we're close. You can tell by the rock face, we're starting to get to that one spot that I was at earlier. Oh yeah, get ready, get ready. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we made it. Woo! quite the downpour. Quite the waterfall, if you ask me. I've been to a lot of these in the Northwest, and wow. Let's get a zoom in on that bad boy. That's crazy. There's gotta be a lot of pressure coming down. Like I said, quite the shower that'd be. Still get closer to it. If it wasn't for the fact that it's so dang hard to get down here, you'd be like, where is everyone? I can feel the mist from here. I'm not even real close to that dang thing. It's real moist over here. Look at that. Just dripping water. Wow. You're literally surrounded by a bowl of rock. Must have been way up there somewhere. Maybe right above here actually, I think it was. Yeah, right above here earlier. We made it. Try to get as close as possible to this thing. Woo! Came and got what we're looking for. See if I can get just a little closer here. Thing's real loud. Sounds like a jet engine. Just got my foot soaked, wasn't paying attention. Gotta love that. Oh yeah, this thing's roaring. That's a lot of water coming down there. Like I said, a bunch of waterfalls feed into that one, so it makes one big one. It's so cool. This whole entire area is surrounded by rock. How cool. It's kind of hard to pick it up on camera, but there's mist everywhere from that thing. And all around the rocks, just trickling water. This is really good. Definitely a lot of water because of the time of year too. All that fresh snow melt. Alright guys, made it to our final destination here. Let's get a sneak peek on that bad boy. I'm far away from that thing. It's big, I can feel it from here. Surrounded by rock. Like a big bowl, nature's bowl. See down there, you can see. This thing's powerful. I'm glad it didn't take us too long to get here, too much heartache. There's been a few times I came, it took a long time to find this place. A few times didn't even find the dang thing, just packed it up and went home. Too bad I didn't bring the soap. Time to take a shower. Alright guys, I really appreciate you sticking it out with me on this one. About to wrap it up, call it a day. I'm not sure if you can tell here, but the sun's starting to fall fairly quickly here, and I'm not really trying to be up here too late. You never know what can happen out here. Get back into town just in case something did happen. It obviously wasn't the most wild, dangerous, crazy adventure today, but definitely had its hurdles going down the steep descent with all the ropes and all that. I definitely thought that was cool. I've been to other couple places kind of like that with dangerous ropes and going straight down, but this is one of those crazy ones for sure. I definitely have a bunch more awesome, crazy ones planned out like this. This is just the beginning. So like I said, thanks for staying with me here. Take it easy. See you next time.